Hi, I'm Adriana from Adriana Adventures. I'm over on Instagram and I share all about getting outside hiking with babies and camping and traveling and so much more. Thank you very much for being on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what I'm packing to go on a summer hike here in Alberta. Okay, so one of the things about being in Alberta is we are in bear country. And I have hiked hundreds of kilometers with my babies in the Canadian Rockies here, and I never go without my bear spray. This is the Scat belt holder that holds your bear spray in place, clips around your waist, and I'll be definitely wearing this tomorrow. My SOS phone here by Garmin, this is really important. I am not afraid to hit that SOS feature in the event that there is some kind of emergency that goes on the trail. I can also text my husband my location when there's no service at the trailhead. So that really helps. Okay, so I also bring a tripod, which is filming here, which kind of acts as another pole. So I'm actually only gonna pack one pole with me. I just find two get in the way with the baby and all the things going on. Okay, and I am packing my hydration pack. It is 1.5 liters, and I do have a cover for this as well, just so this doesn't drop in the dirt. Another thing I bring is my Z seat. So I will use this for diaper changes on the trail, and I will actually use it for sitting on. It is a summit seat for when you do hike to the top. Super handy to have. I sometimes even hike with two of them because I love them so much. Super lightweight. So, okay, so I got all the things on the front here. One of the things I wanted to mention too, if you head over to my website, I do have packing lists for baby of when you're heading out. So I actually always refer to my own packing list when I'm going out on adventures because I absolutely will forget things. So here I have my packing list, and I just keep it in the front pocket so that I make sure that I'm always carrying all the items that I want to be carrying on my hike. So things like the 10 essentials and all that act as a checklist. When I just put this right in the front pocket, it never gets forgotten. Another thing I actually forgot to show that is in the front pocket is an emergency mum bar. I love these coconut bars, they're so amazing. I keep those in the front pocket, one in the back as well. Okay, I'm bringing some baby snacks. I'm still gonna pack our lunch and sandwich and things like that. So got a few more things to add, and baby's bottle in here, so I don't have that in the video. So I have that. Okay, so another thing I'm bringing is just a light wind shell. It's just supposed to be windy tomorrow on the trail. So for me, I'm just gonna be wearing probably the hoodie that I'm wearing now for tomorrow. And I will just have this shell just in case it gets a bit windy for us. So then I always pack some extra, you probably know if you've been around my channel for a bit that I talk about merino wool all the time. So I just throw in some extra layers. They're super dry. They're super quick drying. They're great for SPF. Really, they're odor resistant, and my baby loves them. Even this summer, you can wear merino wool. Who knew? Very breathable. So these are going in here with the wind shell. I'm going to load our snacks back in. So then the next thing here is our little diaper caddy. So it is a dry sack here, and it just has the diapers that I'm bringing tomorrow. I might need to double my diaper load because we are doing a longer hike, and just a few wipes in here. And then when there is soiled diapers, I'm just putting them back into this bag, and I'm hiking them out. So I'm just gonna put everything back, and then what I do is I just simply roll here and clip. So this condenses down and squishes in quite nicely. And I'll just bring the other couple items that I'm bringing out. Okay, so then I'm like considering, because I'm doing elevation, I'm trying to eliminate as much weight as possible from my pack. But with the 10 essentials in mind, I think it's important to always travel with, being able to make a shelter, have compass, and call for help, and make a fire and that kind of thing. So I'm probably gonna bring this, and then I have a headlamp as well. I do have lights on my phones as well, so I might be able to eliminate this for weight, but for now, I'm going to leave it packed. And the last two items that I want to talk to you about are I never go without shelter for my child. So this actually pops right over top of the carrier. And I do have other videos on my Instagram channel that show how I get this on, and that we utilize this a lot, even in the wind and winter for warmth. So I'll actually do a YouTube video on hiking in the rain, and we'll put this on together here. And yeah, this is great. This comes with me all the time. I always use it. So this goes into the bottom pack here. And then I also have the first aid kit. So this one, typically I actually usually hike with a family one, but due to weight, I just went with the smaller one. And then I do have gloves as well right here for wilderness safety. And I just, from my wilderness safety course, and I just roll this up super nice and light. I'm just gonna grab these items and then pack them back in the bag again. super awesome. A few of the things I want to show you. Okay, so some of the items that I'm like debating on taking or packing down is some moleskin and then this C-splint here in case there's any kind of breaks or something on the trail. I really hope not. This is the family first aid kit that I usually hike with because I do hike with large groups and it's very heavy. So I'm kind of looking forward to having a little bit lighter of a pack tomorrow. And yeah, I will chat with you in the morning and show you kind of what our setup looks like and a little bit of our hike. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so I'm just out in our garden space here, but we are gonna go load up into the 4Runner to go on our hike. I wanted to say thank you for coming and being on my YouTube channel. I'm brand new here. I've been over on Instagram for a while. I am CEO of Kids Who Explore, so I do a lot of things outdoors with my kids. And I'm super excited to be out here, you know, talking to you guys on YouTube. And I'm gonna start doing like a lot of our gear review stuff. And you're gonna start to see some like longer form content coming to my channel. Just trying to get everything video edited in that. I do have help now with video editing. My nanny is actually doing my video editing and she's helping watch my kids, so it is wonderful. Okay, so my garage space is still a work in progress, just trying to organize everything, but it has got a lot better. So I'm just gonna take my fully packed hiking pack. So I'm gonna take everything here that I've packed and then we're just gonna put it in the car. So I do bring extra layers in that for my baby and diapers and things in the car and food, but just in the actual carrier, you just saw what I loaded in there before. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And we are ready for tomorrow's adventure. I'm so excited to show you where we're going hiking. And dude. Okay, we're just on our group hike this morning and we're heading up Helling, it's called, in Canmore. So we got Babe all ready. Getting him strapped in. Awesome. Baby party. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I'm surprised how huge the group is.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, this is wild. It's an Osprey party, all the babies at the trail. Of us out on our hike today. Hello, dude. Oh, okay, I forgot to take some videos from the top, but we're out hiking now and heading back to the car.